Wake up to wellness. The power of breakfast. We all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right? But how often do we actually take the time to enjoy it? But do we really understand why? Why is breakfast so crucial to our daily routine? It's like starting your car in the morning. Imagine trying to drive without turning the key. You wouldn't dream of hitting the road without turning the key and giving it some gas. Your car needs fuel to run smoothly, just like your body. Breakfast is your body's ignition switch. It's the first step to a productive day. After a night of fasting, your energy stores are depleted. Your body has used up its resources to repair and rejuvenate itself. Breakfast replenishes these stores, giving your body the fuel it needs to kickstart your metabolism and power through the day. It's like refilling your tank. Think of it as your body's way of saying, "Thank you, now I'm ready to go." A good breakfast sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. A good breakfast does more than just provide energy. It primes your brain for the tasks ahead. It helps you focus, improves your mood, and can even help you maintain a healthy weight. It's like a secret weapon for your well-being. It's like giving your body and mind a VIP pass to a better day. You feel more alert, more capable, and more ready to tackle whatever comes your way. So, if you're looking to feel more energized, focused, and all-around fantastic, a proper breakfast is non-negotiable. It's the foundation of a successful day. Let's dive into what makes a breakfast a winner. From whole grains to protein, fruits, and vegetables, the right combination can make all the difference. Protein power. Fueling your morning with the right stuff. Starting your day with the right nutrients can make all the difference in how you feel and perform throughout the day. When it comes to breakfast, protein is your best mate. It's not just about filling your stomach, it's about fueling your body with the right kind of energy. It helps you feel fuller for longer, preventing those mid-morning energy crashes. Imagine sailing through your morning without the need for a snack break. Think of it as the scaffolding that keeps your energy levels stable. Just like a building needs a strong framework, your body needs a steady supply of protein to keep you going. Eggs are a brilliant source of protein. They are versatile, easy to prepare, and can be incorporated into various dishes. Scrambled, poached, boiled, or fried, the choice is yours. Each method brings out a different flavor and texture, making breakfast exciting. They're packed with essential amino acids that your body needs to function at its best. These amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, crucial for muscle repair and growth. Greek yogurt is another fantastic option. It's not only rich in protein, but also contains probiotics that are good for your gut health. It's creamy, delicious, and packed with protein. Plus, it's incredibly versatile and can be paired with a variety of toppings. You can top it with fruit, nuts, or a drizzle of honey for a breakfast that tastes like dessert, but fuels you like a champ. This combination not only satisfies your sweet tooth, but also provides a balanced meal. Other great sources of protein include lean meats, like turkey or chicken sausage. These options are lower in fat, but still provide a substantial amount of protein. And plant-based options like tofu scramble or chia seed pudding. These are excellent for those who prefer a vegetarian or vegan diet. Get creative and find what you fancy. The key is to enjoy your breakfast while ensuring it's packed with the nutrients you need to start your day right. Go with the grain-sustained energy for a productive day. Carbohydrates often get a bad rap, but they're an essential part of a balanced diet and crucial for energy. They are the body's primary source of fuel, especially for the brain and muscles. The key is to choose the right kind of carbs, the ones that provide sustained energy release. This means opting for complex carbohydrates over simple ones. Whole grains are your go-to. They're packed with fiber, which slows down digestion and helps you feel fuller for longer. This slow digestion process ensures a steady release of energy throughout the day. Think oatmeal, whole wheat toast, or high-fiber cereal. These options are not only nutritious, but also versatile, allowing you to mix and match with other healthy ingredients. Oatmeal is a breakfast superstar. It's warm, comforting, and can be customized with a variety of toppings. Whether you prefer it sweet or savory, oatmeal can be tailored to your taste. Add some berries for sweetness and antioxidants, which help fight off free radicals and keep your immune system strong. Nuts for healthy fats and protein, which are essential for muscle repair and overall health, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for a flavor boost. Cinnamon not only adds a delicious taste, but also has anti-inflammatory properties. Whole wheat toast is another versatile option. It's a great base for a variety of toppings, making it easy to switch things up. Top it with avocado for healthy fats, which are good for your heart, scrambled eggs for protein, which helps keep you full and satisfied, or nut butter for a tasty treat. Nut butter adds a creamy texture and is packed with protein and healthy fats. Remember, carbs are not the enemy. Choosing the right ones will give you the energy you need to conquer your day. So, start your morning with a balanced breakfast that includes whole grains and set yourself up for success. Nature's candy fruits for a vitamin and mineral boost. Fruits are nature's way of saying, here's a dose of deliciousness and nutrients. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them an essential part of a healthy and energizing breakfast. Bananas are a classic choice. They're a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and muscle function. Plus, they're portable and easy to eat on the go. Berries are another fantastic option. They're bursting with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, take your pick. You can enjoy fruits on their own, add them to yogurt or oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie. Get creative and enjoy the natural sweetness and nutritional power of fruits. Section 5. Hydration is key. Ditch the sugar rush. Don't underestimate the power of hydration. Even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue and brain fog. Start your day by drinking a large glass of water as soon as you wake up. Swap sugary drinks like soda and juice for water, herbal tea, or a cup of coffee. These options will hydrate you without the sugar crash that can leave you feeling sluggish later on. Section 6. Consistency is king. Making breakfast a non-negotiable. Eating breakfast consistently is key to reaping its energy-boosting benefits. When you make breakfast a habit, you're setting yourself up for success all day long. Aim to eat breakfast within an hour of waking up. This will help jumpstart your metabolism and replenish your energy stores after a night of fasting. If you're short on time in the mornings, prepare some breakfast components the night before. Overnight oats, chia seed pudding, or hard-boiled eggs are all great options. Section 7. Backed by science. Proof that breakfast matters. Don't just take my word for it. Science backs up the importance of breakfast. Numerous studies have shown that eating breakfast regularly can improve cognitive function, boost mood, and increase energy levels. One study found that people who ate breakfast regularly had better concentration and memory recall than those who skipped breakfast. Another study showed that eating breakfast was linked to lower levels of stress and improved mood throughout the day. The evidence is clear. Breakfast is a powerful tool for improving your physical and mental well-being. Section 8. Your 3-week energy transformation. A simple guide. Ready to experience the transformative power of breakfast? Try incorporating these tips into your routine for the next 3 weeks and see the difference it makes. Week 1. Focus on protein. Start your day with protein-rich options like eggs, Greek yogurt, or a tofu scramble. Experiment with different flavor combinations and find what you enjoy most. Week 2. Add in whole grains. Incorporate whole grains like oatmeal or whole wheat toast into your breakfast routine. Experiment with different toppings to add variety and nutrition. Week 3. Fruits and hydration. Add a serving of fruit to your breakfast every day. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Section 9. Listen to your body, finding what works best for you. While these guidelines provide a great starting point, it's important to listen to your body and find what works best for you. Some people thrive on a larger breakfast, while others prefer a smaller meal. Pay attention to how you feel after eating different types of breakfast foods. If you notice that certain foods make you feel sluggish or bloated, try something different. The key is to find a breakfast routine that you enjoy and that makes you feel energized and ready to take on the day. Section 10. Beyond breakfast. Small changes, big impact. Remember, breakfast is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to boosting your energy levels throughout the day. Other important factors include getting enough sleep, managing stress effectively, and staying active regularly. By making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle, you can experience a significant improvement in your overall energy and well-being. So start your day right with a nourishing breakfast and enjoy the long-lasting